This 2018 Winnebago Sightseer 35G is a Class A RV. It is located in Prescott, Arizona, 86301 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Prescott. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 80 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features U-Shaped Dinette. This 2018 Winnebago Sightseer 35G is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.